The newly elected Somaliland President Musa Bihi Abdi says maintaining peace and stability in the region is one of his priorities. During a state visit to Ethiopia, he said Somaliland's agreement to host a UAE military base will not affect security in any neighboring countries. CGTN's Girum Chala sat down with President Musa Bihi Abdi.
Now that you've taken the job of president in Somaliland, what are going to be your priority areas to engage yourself and your cabinet to work towards?
My first priority is stability and peace. You know, we are in a region very fertile. And there are a lot of wars in this region of Africa, the Horn. So my first priority is the security of the country and the stability. When you get security, you can make development. So my priority number one is security.
Almost immediately after your election, you have decided to come to Ethiopia to meet the officials here, including the Prime Minister of Ethiopia. What is the plan here? What are your intentions? And so far, what have you gotten out of this visit in the country?
As you know, Ethiopia is a big power in the region, economically, politically, and militarily. And Ethiopia is a landlocked country. We want to be one of the gateways of Ethiopia to the world. Ethiopia has a lot of gateways, a large country, so it has seaports to every country in the coast. Mombasa, Djibouti, Eritrea after when the peace comes, Sudan. So we want to take our share, a gateway of the Ethiopian population. Second, as the region is volatile and there are a lot of violences in this region, we want to cooperate with the security both of our countries.
I understand one of the biggest challenges of Somaliland is getting recognition not only from the region or Africa, but globally as well, to be recognized as a country. So what is in your to-do list to make the plan of getting recognition globally for your country a reality?
We created an atmosphere of democracy. Now we are trying to make a good governance, the next step. So I hope we will be a model of stability, good governance, and democracy to other countries in Africa. And we will convince IGAD and African Union our case is politically right, legally right, and morally correct.